and parents are really worried.
Distress calls are at an all-time high at one children's mental health center in Calgary. Janet Stewart with Woods Homes says they're receiving at most 70 calls a day, ranging from calls regarding suicide to parents and caregivers dealing with the effects of the ongoing traumas children are facing right now.
Sometimes families are calling in because their young person has talked to them about suicide. And that is a really scary thing as a parent and a caregiver. My child is doesn't want to go to school, or they're experiencing bullying at school, or with the isolation that COVID brought on, they really are, extracurriculars are opening up, but they're really hesitant to go, and I'm worried about them.
But it's not just a Calgary-specific issue. It's children all over the world who are experiencing a developmental disruption in their pivotal years.
Globally, youth are struggling with their mental health. We're seeing a 2 to 3 times increase in depression and anxiety symptoms. So definitely the pandemic has had an impact, I think, on their general functioning.
With the cost of living rising, parents are also struggling with keeping children in these activities.
So now parents are really worried, well, I really want my child to get back into soccer this summer, but will I be able to afford to take them?
The city of Calgary has recently given Woods Homes more funding, so more calls can be answered, and people are therefore connected to resources faster.
There is that subset of youth that we do need to keep an eye on and that do appear to be struggling more than what we would expect.
If your child is struggling, MacArthur suggests starting with a pediatrician. You can also call Woods Homes at 403-299-9699 or the Distress Center at 403-266-HELP. In Calgary, Taylor Braat, City News.